Good morning students and welcome back. Now we are going to solve worksheet of political science lesson number 3, political parties. The first question is fill in the blanks. So let's read the first one. Party which fails to secure majority is known as dash party. So the party who gets majority vote is called ruling party, and the party who fails to get the majority vote is called opposition party. So the answer is opposition. Second fill in the blank is Bharatiya Janata Party, which was formed in 1980 after a split with a dash, a component of Janata Party. So Bharatiya Janata Party was established by getting split from Bharatiya Jan Sangh and Janata Party. So the answer is Bharatiya Jan Sangh. Third fill in the blank is social support received by political party is called dash. So when the whole society is supporting to that political party, then that party get the support that is called as a mass base. So the answer is mass base. Now read the fourth fill in the blank. Promotion of Marathi language is objective of dash. So who is promoting the Marathi language? So that is the party Shiv Sena. So the answer is Shiv Sena. Now let's read the fifth fill in the blank. There are dash recognized national parties in India. So there are total 7 recognized parties which are at national level. So the answer is 7. Now read the sixth fill in the blank. The main objective of the political party is to capture dash and retain it. So after forming a party, the main objective of the political party is to form the government. And to form the government, they have to win the election. And so they wanted to come into the power. Then only they can form the government. So that's why the main intention of the political party is to capture the power and retain it. That means it has to be preserved also. So the answer is power. Now let's read the last fill in the blank. The ideology of the Communist Party of India is based on dash philosophy. So the answer is Marxist. Both old and new Communist Party was based on Marxist philosophy. That is Karl Marx philosophy. So write down the answer Marxist. So students, now write down all the fill in the blanks answers in your worksheet. Now let's solve the second question. Do as directed. That is complete the web or complete the concept. The first one is name of the national parties in India and their year of establishment. So the first national party, write down Indian National Congress Party, which was established in the year 1885. Then second box, write down Communist Party of India, which was established in the year 1925. Then third one, write down Bharatiya Janata Party, which was established in the year 1980. Then write down the fourth box, Communist Party of India, in bracket write down the Marxist. This is the new party which was established. So Communist Party of India Marxist was established in the year 1964. Then fifth one, write down Bahujan Samaj Party, which was established in the year 1984. Then sixth box, write down Nationalist Congress Party, and this party was established in the year 1999. And the last party, Trinamool Congress, which was established in the year 1998. So now note down the answers of the first web. Now read the second web question. Name of major regional parties in India and their year of establishment. Students, be very careful when this question comes, regional parties. Here the question I have asked is regional parties in India. So you have to write all over India's regional parties name. You cannot write any one state regional parties only. You have to take different regional parties and write from all over the India. So the first one, write down Shiv Sena, which is of Maharashtra region. Write down the year. In 1966, Shiv Sena was established. Then second one, write down Shiromani Akali Dal, which was established in the year 1920 in Punjab. Then in third one, write down Jammu and Kashmir National Conference, which was established in the year 1932, and it was obviously in Jammu and Kashmir. And the last one, write down Assam Gana Parishad, which was established in the year 1985 in Assam. So copy down the answers of this web now. Now read the next web. Name of the regional parties in Maharashtra. Now here I have asked only the regional parties of Maharashtra. So here you have to write only the names of regional parties of Maharashtra, and you cannot write the other party regional names over here. So on page number 89 of the textbook, there are two tables given which are all the regional parties name. So from those two tables you can select any name which you find it very easy to learn and remember with spelling. Now whatever answers I am giving, that is also selected one, and very easy one I have selected. So if you find those easy, you can learn that also. So first one, write down Shiv Sena. Second one, write down Maharashtra Navnirman Sena. Third one, write down Peasants and Workers Party. Fourth one, write down Republican Party of India. And the fifth one, write down Samajwadi Party. So write down the answers of this web. If you want, you can go through the textbook and select your own easiest one and write down. Now read the last web question, that is objectives of Shiv Sena. So here only two boxes are given. So if it comes like that, you can write two boxes and you will get 1 marks for each if it is only for two boxes. Now write down the first one, to promote Marathi language. So the objective of Shiv Sena is to promote Marathi language. And in second box, write down to protect the rights of Marathi people. To protect the rights of Marathi people. So students, write down the last web answer now. We have finished solving the lesson number 3 political science worksheet. Write down in a neat handwriting and complete your information first. Name, standard, division, roll number and date. And then only complete your worksheet. So goodbye and take care.